Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2002 Ford AU Falcon Ute, stock reference number 4935. The shape month's from the 9th month 1998 through to the 9th month 2002. It has a 4 litre 6-cylinder inline petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 4 litre inline 6-cylinder engine. It's fitted with, we have the left front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, Triple M tray with canopy and all fittings, Hayman Reese tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right front door has 2 dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. The manual window winder. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth. Interior, grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic console, 6-stack CD player, heated controls, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.